So here we came down the road, and this is where President Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln, lived in this house right there till he was 7 years old or something like that. I'm gonna walk over there in a minute. I want to see something. So in 1811, Abraham Lincoln moved here with his sister, his father Thomas, and mother Nancy. His sister was Sarah, and yeah, so I'm gonna go take a peek at it. That's unbelievable. 1811. And they said you can go inside of this one. Okay, so this is the cabin where he lived, and let me see inside. Wow, I got goosebumps big time. Abraham Lincoln lived here with his mother, his father, and his sister. Surely there must be some other area, but I mean, there's only one bed. You get come in.
Well, go ahead. You're recording. Go ahead, man.
I'll be like 2 minutes. Oh, maybe they slept up there in the loft area. Wow, this is unbelievable. Oh. I'm sure those are not the original covers, but alright, they have people waiting, so I'm gonna get out, but I'm gonna do some stills. Okay. I came to the back side of the cabin. It's amazing how they built these back then. I don't know. Well, the park ranger said that that was the house. And she's over there. Okay, that's enough of that.
Great, thank you. We enjoyed a little water. It's nice down there. Probably a lot of the water. We've had a lot.
throw in one more thing. She said that the cabin itself is over 200 years old. That they replaced some of the boards, like the lighter ones, because of the element in the weather, and the bottom ones. But everything else is original to 200 years ago. Unbelievable. This is the childhood home of President Lincoln.